Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create smart cart using Python programming. So let's move forward. So these are the few steps that we have to follow in order to create a shopping cart, that is smart cart. So first we will be creating an empty cart list. Then we will be defining 4 functions with the help of which we will be used to perform a basic task. Then we will be using a while loop to show menus and take choices accordingly. Try except we use for the input validation to check whether the customer has given the correct input or not. Then we will do exit loop on user's choice. So now first let us see how our code will look like, how it runs. So we will run our code first. So this is how it will display the items options. So first we will add item in our cart. Let's add 2 items. So enter name of item 1, that is bread, price 25. Then we will be adding jam, that is 15. So both the items are added successfully. So now just display the show total cost. For that we will be pressing 2. So total cost is 40. And to display our list again we have to press 4. So this is how our list will be displayed. And to find the most expensive item we just have to press 3. And here we get our most expensive item in the list. In this way we can create our list, for which we have to run few lines of code. So first we will start with the empty list. Cart is equal to empty square brackets. Then we will be defining a first function, that is add items. We will be taking input about the quantity from the user. Then we are using for loop for entering the name and the price. Then second function we will be using total cost, in which we have used sum function. We have used sum. Then the third function we are using find most expensive, for which we have used small get price function so that we could use the item price. Then we will be using fourth function, that is display cart. If not cart, if the cart is empty, it will print as cart is empty and return to the shopping list, or else it will go into the cart and display the cart items with the price. And then this is our main program loop, that is while loop, in which we will be displaying all our options. Then we have used here try except value error. If the customer puts value that is neither from our choice, that is 1 to 5. If he puts 6 7, so it will print invalid input, please enter a number or a correct choice. So if choice is equal to 1, then it will call the function add items, this one, in which it will be taking the inputs to add to our shopping list. Then for the second we have used if cart. If the item is present in the cart, then give the total cost, or else print your cart is empty. Then we have third choice, that is find most expensive cart, for which we will be printing the most expensive item by comparing, and then or else your cart is empty. Then for display cart, choice number 4, and for exiting, after exit this will be printed, thank you for using this shopping list, goodbye. And if the user puts some invalid option, so for this we will be printing invalid choice, please choose a number from 1 to 5. Thank you. I hope you get this code. Thank you.